Hello everyone, welcome you all to my new tutorial video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to shut down your PC using command prompt. Okay, at first you have to open your command prompt. You can open it from your search button typing CMD. Here is CMD, or you can open it from typing on this button and R. Here is done, and here you will type CMD and press OK. Yes, here is your command prompt. So you want to shut down your PC, that's why I type SHUTDOWN and hyphen S for shutdown, and hyphen T defines after how many seconds you want to shut down your PC. If I give here 00, then my PC will shut down instantly, and now I'm not want to shut down my PC, that's why I'm giving here 60 seconds, and hyphen F for shut down your PC after 60 seconds forcefully, and then you have to press enter. When you press enter, you can see that your PC will shut down in 1 minute. That's it. And guys, I'm not want to shut down my PC at this moment, that's why I'm aborting this command. To abort this command, you have to type shutdown hyphen A. After this, you can see that my shutdowns command has cancelled. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you again.